If you want to set up an alarm clock on Motorola Edge 70 Fusion, then in that case you can go to the app drawer and you can simply open the clock app. Now once you go to the clock app, over here you want to make sure that alarms is selected, and then you should be able to, for example, find some example alarms, which you can use if you want to. You can just tap on the switcher to turn on an alarm or turn it off. And if you want to, you can create your own alarm by using this plus in the bottom right corner. So you can just choose when the alarm should go off, and then you can just tap on OK. If you tap on the alarm, you can of course customize it, but you should also be able to tap on this upper part of the tile in order to find some additional customization options. Like for example, you can choose the alarm to be repeatable, so it can go off in specific days of the week. You can also schedule the alarm for a specific day. You can set up the name for the alarm, you can choose the sound, toggle vibrations, and also include routines, or you can just delete the alarm as well. If you made any changes, of course, remember to use the save button over here. Now, besides that, you should be able to delete alarms by going to, well, actually we should be able to swipe. Yeah, there we go. So we should be able to swipe to the right side, for example, to delete an alarm. So this works as well. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.